Hey, what's up? I'm back with another video, and this is going to be the last, lecture of alcohol, phenol, and ether. In fact, I'm really glad, now I have some chapter completed. So you have some of the complete playlist now, and you can definitely have some chapter, from my channel. Now, what I have to do right now is to talk about two of the very important topic about ether. The first one is physical properties, second one is chemical properties of ether, right? So let's start that and see one by one where is exactly all the things coming up. So like I said, I'm talking about physical properties of ether. Physical properties of ether. The first thing about ether, I want to tell you that ether is a polar molecule. Ether is polar. It is a polar molecule. The second thing is why it's polar. If you take an example of an ether, so this is a symmetrical one, this is a symmetrical ether. So this looks like the dipole moments are in opposite direction. So definitely there will be no dipole. But an ether is not always having same alkyl group. This may be also like this, maybe different alkyl group. So in that case, this is called unsymmetrical. In that case, it is called unsymmetrical. And if it's unsymmetrical, this one has a dipole moment. This one has a dipole moment. Right? So a symmetrical one doesn't have dipole moment, but an unsymmetrical one has dipole moment. So that's why it's a polar molecule. Second thing is that, being polar, it has higher, boiling point. Higher boiling point. Higher boiling point. Boiling point as compared to I hope this doesn't mess up here. So higher boiling point as compared to alkane of nearly same molecular mass. Nearly same molecular mass. Molecular mass. And it's due to the polarity. And it's due to polarity. Right? Now, very important thing is it had lower boiling point. It has lower boiling point. I'm writing boiling point in short, BP, though it's not suitable, but you have to understand. BP as compared to alcohol. As compared to alcohol. Because alcohol has hydrogen bonding, has extensive hydrogen bonding, extensive H bonding, right? So ether boiling point is higher than alkane, but it's lower than the alcohol of almost same molecular mass. Now the question is, now the fourth very important thing is that it is water soluble. Water soluble nearly equal to alcohol, but slightly less. So what that means, ethers are water soluble, but their solubility is just a little bit, small as compared to alcohol of comparable masses. I'm talking about comparable masses, those who have almost equal number of carbon in them. So all these are applicable to them. Now the question is, why ethers are, water soluble? And the reason is that they can form hydrogen bond. So let's take example right here. Suppose this is an alcohol. And as you can see, there are two lone pair here. Now let's take water molecule here. This is a water molecule here. So what will happen? This lone pair will convert into a hydrogen bond. Again, this will also convert into a hydrogen bond. So like I said, this is your hydrogen, this is your hydrogen bond. So because ether can form hydrogen bond, so it is water soluble, right? Similarly, several other, if you want to get it through, you can extend the chain here. So alcohol also form hydrogen bond with water. So alcohol is highly soluble, but ether is also highly soluble, just a little bit less, and it's due to ability of, making hydrogen bond, right? So these are some of the physical properties I wanted to, let you know about the ether.